question, then you said it. I was saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah. The pedal to the pavement. I was dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Try again. Oh yeah. I can call you mine. We can hit rewind and treat each other right. How long should I wait to feel it all fade? some type of way for your love. How long till it comes when I got no patience for too long? I think I like you with that song so oil. Sugar rush, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out, oh yeah. Sugar rush, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out. Baby, I'm feeling kinda right. Lately I think I could use a good fight. I don't wanna wait till you're coming into my life. I see what will happen in a good time. I know it's a hide the way I get lost in your eyes. I think I'm drowning in the light somehow. How long till it comes when I got no patience for too long? I think I like you with that one so wild. Yeah, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out, oh yeah. Sugar rush, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out. Baby, you make me live it in color. Lately I don't feel no need to cover. Save me from what I have been trapped under. Can't live 'cause I'm feeling wonder. I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out, oh yeah. Sugar rush, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out. the stars align with a certain mind. You can read the lines and you shall find a universal law, just one of a kind. Look into the sky, let yourself unwind. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out, there's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. An emptiness so vast yet so complete. It makes me feel so small, standing on my feet. Just a speck of light, so discreet. Nothing really matters, it's a deceit. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out, there's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. Oh, if only we could understand the breath. It's possible that we may never know the depth. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out, there's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. said it, always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we're taking. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah, try again. The pedal to the pavement. I was dreaming that we'd make it